Why keep paying for pricey subscriptions when AI can do the same job for free? Stick with me because I'm about to show you 5 AI tools that can replace those expensive paid apps, and the best part, they're totally free. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where AI productivity and cybersecurity come together for smarter tech living. Let's jump in. Number 1, ChatGPT. It's my go-to for writing, and honestly, it blows paid tools like Jasper or Copy.ai out of the water for most people. Whether I'm generating emails, coming up with article ideas, or just need a quick summary, ChatGPT gives me clean, ready-to-use content with zero cost. Number 2, Notion AI. Instead of juggling paid project management apps like Monday.com or ClickUp, Notion AI lets me plan tasks, manage projects, and automate notes all in one sleek workspace. It's flexible, intuitive, and frankly, a game changer for staying organized. Number 3, Google Sheets plus AI extensions. Forget about shelling out for expensive reporting software like Tableau. With AI-powered add-ons, I generate reports, summaries, and dashboards right in Google Sheets, automatically. Clean charts, real insights, no extra costs. Number 4, Canva AI. If you've ever felt intimidated by pro-level design tools or those Adobe subscription prices, this is your solution. Canva's built-in AI lets me whip up thumbnails, presentations, and social media graphics in minutes, even if I have zero design skills. And number 5, Otter AI. For meetings, it's a total lifesaver. Otter AI records, transcribes, and summarizes conversations automatically, so I never miss a detail. No more paying for expensive transcription tools or scrambling to take notes during calls. Quick heads up, free AI tools are powerful, but privacy matters. Always check those settings, and don't upload anything sensitive unless you're 100% sure it's secure. So those are my top 5 free AI tools that can replace paid apps and easily save you a few $100 every year. Want more AI tools, automation tips, and cybersecurity hacks? Hit subscribe to join me here at Smart Tech Lab. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.